Alright, so today I'm going to be replacing the airbox. You see the new one right there. Well, new one. It's from pull apart off of another 2003 Jeep Liberty, except it was from a Renegade. The only thing I'm going to do is hope to God that that's okay, and then I'm going to pull this and then pull my old one. Whichever one looks better, I'll put back in this one. The reason I'm replacing mine is because not the actuator, but the blend doors. There's two of them. There's one right here. There's one like right here or something, and they're connected with like a little thin piece of plastic. And the plastic broke, the doors broke, actuator broke. Just a bunch of problems that can only be fixed by getting it replaced. So I've already had a lot done. I'm also taking this time to clean it out, so if the videos are few and far between, that's probably why. So I got all the seats out. They're either in the back or wherever. I did discover like a little bit of surface rust down here, and then I guess a mouse or something's been eating on some of my wires. So I fixed the wires, electrical taped it all up, spray painted it, rust preventive Rust-Oleum spray paint. I did a little bit of gasket sealant around the spots that water may have gotten in. Don't know. Sprayed the spots again. I've got some anti-seize that's going to go back in the thread holes and on the bolts, just so it's going to be easier next time I take my seats out, or if I have to clean this again, or whatso have the issue. But yeah, I'll be updating on how to take this box out. Basically, as a start, you're going to want to take every bolt you see. So bolts will be screws. These just pop out. Some people say you got to take the A-pillar off, some don't. Don't know yet. I did at pull apart, but then again, I was trying just to rip everything out quickly as possible, but also be very gentle with the AC box. And then also, I've got some dome lights, as you can see from pull apart, because the wires are already under there. So that's pretty legit. I got another pair that's going to go in here, but this side, the wiring harness is a little bit harder to find. And then I'm also taking this time to maybe, I'm not good at it, but maybe, just maybe, see how this vinyl fake carbon fiber look goes. Don't know yet. Don't like it. It's crinkled too much. I'll throw it out. Whatever. But to take the center console out, there's like 2 or 3 screws inside the compartment. Then you got to lift this, and there's a screw over here, over there somewhere, and then you've got a screw right here, and then it should just be able to pop out. I did have to put the Jeep into 4 high, neutral, low, whatever, just to get it to where I can pop everything out. And I did have to pull the e-brake so it can come straight out as well. But so far, so good. It's definitely going to take a minute, but I'm fine with that. And then, this is a bunch of crap I just had in the back of my Jeep. I got like tons of Jeep Liberty tail hooks. So if you guys want them, obviously for cash, but I've got some extra of those. I got the Renegade fog lights. I've got some aftermarket speakers. I've got the EVIC control thing I may or may not hook up, but don't know yet. Extra fans. But heck, I got spacers, a little bit of fire extinguisher. I got this Ford bottle jack along with the factory scissor jack. Got this cheap impact that I used to have in here. Still got to do that. That's my NGK spark plugs, but haven't done that yet. I've got these. I never tried them. I was going to lift my Jeep, but I chose not to, and then I just lifted it 4 inches without these. So yeah. Ford F350 tow hooks as well. I'm gonna rig or weld or mount to the front of my brush guard. And then I got the cargo cover. Yeah, as you can see. But oh yeah, I got a flag. I will update you guys as soon as possible.